Welcome to the video number 3 from the series. So to start our template from scratch, let's choose the second option and click Next. So here you'll have the option to choose between creating a template from scratch, generating one with AI, or starting with another template as a layout, which you can use as a guide. Just keep in mind that your template should be original and have its own distinct style, setting it apart from others in our marketplace. For this series, we're going to craft a template from scratch, so we'll select Blank Template and then click Next. Now we're directed to the Partners area, where our new template awaits. The next step in our process is to click on Open in the Funnel Builder. And just like that, here we are, ready to start building. In this series, and to demonstrate how you can manage and sell different types of templates, we're going to create 3 types of product pages in one funnel template. The first one will be for dropshipping, the second for cash-on-delivery products, and the third will be for selling digital products. In the next video, we'll dive into a crucial aspect of template creation, which is the funnel styles.